money controls the world. But the biggest wealth secrets stay hidden. Welcome to Bold Mysterious, where hidden financial truths become powerful wealth lessons. Most people believe that becoming wealthy requires a huge amount of money, a perfect opportunity, or a lucky break. But what if the biggest secret of wealth is something much smaller, something that almost everyone ignores? A tiny amount of money, combined with one powerful force called compound interest. A single seed does not look powerful when it is planted. It looks small, weak, and almost meaningless. But with time, that seed can become a giant tree. Money works the same way. The question is not always how much money you start with. The question is how long you allow your money to grow. Compound interest is the process where your money starts making money, and then that new money starts making even more money. It creates a chain reaction. Imagine planting one small financial seed today. At first, nothing dramatic happens. You invest a small amount. The growth looks slow. Many people quit during this stage because they only see small results. They say, "This is not working." But they don't understand the most important part. The early years are not about seeing huge results. The early years are about building the foundation. Let's imagine two people. The first person starts investing early. They put away a small amount every month. Nothing impressive, no expensive lifestyle, no attention from others. Just patience. The second person waits. They think, "I will start later when I have more money." Years pass. The second person finally begins, but they lost the most valuable asset, time. Because compound interest does not only reward money, it rewards patience. Many wealthy people understand a simple truth. Money itself is not the goal. Money is a tool. They focus on building assets that grow over time, while others chase quick pleasure. They think about future freedom. A luxury purchase gives temporary excitement, but an investment can continue working for years. The difference between ordinary and wealthy thinking is often not intelligence. It is understanding how time works with money. Compound interest is like a snowball rolling down a mountain. At the beginning, the snowball is tiny. It moves slowly. People watching it might think, "That will never become big." But as it keeps moving, it collects more snow. It grows. It becomes powerful. The same thing happens with your investments. The first stage is slow, the middle stage becomes noticeable, the final stage can become incredible. The biggest mistake people make is waiting for the perfect moment. They wait for more money. They wait for better conditions. They wait until they feel ready. But the perfect moment usually never arrives. The people who succeed understand something important. Small actions repeated for a long time can create massive results. A person who starts small today can often beat someone who starts big tomorrow. Imagine meeting yourself 20 years from now. Would your future self thank you? Would they be grateful that you started? Or would they ask, "Why did you wait so long?" Every financial decision you make today is a gift or a burden for your future self. The money you invest today is not only buying assets, it is buying possibilities. Compound interest is not magic. It is discipline. It is patience. It is the reward for giving your money enough time to grow. The journey to wealth rarely starts with a huge amount. It starts with one small decision. Start early, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Because small money today can become extraordinary wealth tomorrow. This is Bold Mysterious. Subscribe for more powerful financial lessons.